Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take the scroll shot on Lenovo Tab M10 Plus. And to do this we'll need to open any app that allows us to scroll down. Let's go for the settings. Now make a simple screenshot by pressing on the power key and volume down key at the same time. They're located right here. It's a bit tricky, just hold it for about 1 second and that way you make a screenshot. Instantly when the screenshot is made, you need to click on the scroll shot right here. And now wait till the entire page is scrolled or click on the screen to stop scrolling, and that way you'll capture the screenshot of the specific portion of the screen. And right here we just made a full page screenshot. You can see the top and the bottom right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.